Hello, this is Radu Jude, the director of the film Bad Luck Banging or Loony Porn. Um, I invite you to see the film in Argentina, especially because since I don't know if it's a good or a bad film, but since I am so much influenced by the Argentinian culture, my favorite writer is probably Borges and also Sabato and a lot of others, Cortázar and others. I think maybe it would be interesting to see how this Argentinian culture transformed itself into a poor Romanian film, which even if it's not good, at least it has maybe something interesting into it. And I would be really, really happy to hear even critiques, even things against the film. But I would really like you to watch it. Thank you so much. And let's do it, carajo.